This is our second investment property of the year, and we wanted it at auction. It's been quite a journey to get the keys, but we finally got them. So in this video, I will share with you how much we pay for the property and our exciting plans for the renovation. I am Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And this year we are on a mission to buy 3 large properties, renovate them, rent them out, and make a passive income. This property was actually the first property we were supposed to buy this year because we bought it through auction. Auction happened in March, so we won it, we paid the deposit. But because the property was part of probate sale, which means it was going through a legal process to settle the previous owner's estate, and probate usually takes around 12 weeks, but for us, it dragged over 5 months, which was way beyond we could expect. Once the probate was finalized, we had 56 days to buy this property through the auction. And after all this waiting, we finally have the keys. So now let me walk you through the property and tell you all the plans for it. So the plan for this property is to convert into 9-bedroom HMO. So let me take you to the first room. So this will be the first bedroom. It's really nice size. And of course, we're gonna remove the chimney breast to increase the size even more. And we're gonna remove the chimney breast throughout the property. And obviously every single room will have its own ensuite. So we will build the ensuite here in this room. We will block off this wall because if you can see, it has opening right now. And this is where it's gonna be the second bedroom of the property, and with another ensuite as well. Chimney breasts are out. Obviously, we don't have to change every single window on the property. Some of them are good, some of them we should change. So let me take you now to what is currently dining room, kitchen. So this room and a kitchen will be connected together. We're removing this wall here, and we're gonna make one big, large kitchen, dining, a space for the tenants. Kitchen is a quite nice size already, but we just want to increase it and make it everything new and nice and spacious. This property has a garage at the back, which is massive as well. We have a little bathroom here, which we're gonna knock it out, and we're gonna connect the spaces together. So this is our big garage. And this is where it's gonna be one more bedroom with the ensuite. So we will have to convert this space into a habitable space, first of all, because it's a garage right now. And originally, we actually were not planning to do a bedroom here. We were planning to do one big living room kitchen space, but then it becomes like over 40 square meters, and we thought it just doesn't make sense to have such a big space. We as well have a garden, but we're not gonna take you out there because, as you can see, it's a real jungle there right now. So let me take you to the second floor and show you around. This property is really nice size. Right now it's 156 square meters. Obviously it's clean and nice. They left us much tidier than first property. As well, we actually have a basement here. We're planning to install the water boilers, so it's out of the way. So here we are on the second floor. So this is gonna be our 4th bedroom in this house. It's still a very nice size, and we're gonna keep it the current size, and we're just gonna do an opening here to create an ensuite from a bathroom that is currently in the property. So this is currently a bathroom. So we're gonna give space from this bathroom to this bedroom, and we're gonna try to create another off-suite here for one of the smaller bedrooms in the property. Then this is gonna be our bedroom number 5, as well, a really nice sized bedroom. We're gonna remove chimney breast, so it's gonna give us even more space. So basically it's just reflecting the downstairs, and we're gonna create the ensuite here. And then we have right now a large bedroom right now, and this is where it's gonna be a bedroom number 6 and 7 of this property. So we're gonna split the rooms, we're gonna create the ensuite there, and for this room it's gonna have the off-suite where I just showed you. And of course we're gonna do the opening here. We're gonna open this space and we're gonna see if we can give a bit of this space to this room. And we have a wardrobe here, which actually has a hatch for the loft. So the plan for this property is to create a loft conversion and create 2 large bedrooms upstairs, which we are super excited about it because this property is really nice size. So let's talk numbers now. We bought this property for $146,000, and we're expecting the building cost to be anywhere around $160,000, and we're expecting the revaluation of $400,000. We picked up the keys today, and our builder starting in 2 days, so we're making sure we're not wasting any more time. We are really excited to share all the updates with you, and if you like to see how we're progressing on our first property, click the link here. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.